Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we are going to install this original Honda CRX mud flap for this vehicle right here that I just painted the left and right upper fender to get all the rust out. So next time up, we're going to sand the whole hood and then paint it a white color. So today we need to install this. I'm not sure. Previous owner, they cut this off. So yeah, my son got this from OfferUp, and a little bit broken right here. That's a metal piece. It's came out, so I had to punch it back in to make it flat. So each of this flap has 3 screws. Hole right there. Let me just show you guys real quick. So there's one right here, 2. That one is missing, but the seller supplied the extra screw, and then another one right here. So like that. And this one is for the back, the rear. So missing like a metal. We're missing like a metal clip that we can screw on. This one right here, we need to loosen up with this special tool because it's a tight space. And then this one right here, unless you remove the whole wheel to install it. Oh. So I gotta hit this, make it flat. See how this one is flat? And those are the extra screws that the seller gave it to us.
good.
Mm-hmm.
How? Oh, you just pry it out? The screw?
What are you talking about?
Oh,
it's
sorry.
screw on tight.
What the heck is that? It's tight.
Jimmy Home, you want to buy this? Go into the description. Nice. And now this is the back. Anyway, I put the screw and one down there. I'm gonna push this in. So yeah, this is how you put the mud flat. There you go. I had to use the actual screw because the plastic fastener breaks, so. Yeah, so without this tool, it's going to be very hard to remove it unless you remove the whole wheel on the jack stand. Alright, all four are on. Probably going to paint it black, so because it looks kind of white. And then the lower trim. Yeah, looks good. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.